हॅलो नमस्कार. आपण क्लासिकल मेकॅनिक्समधला पहिला टॉपिक जो आहे तो लॅग्रेंजियन फॉर्म्युलेशन्स तो आपण पाहत आहोत, डिस्कस करत आहोत. तत्पूर्वी काल आपण थोडीशी रिव्हिजन म्हणून आपण काही घेतलेला आहे, झालेला पार्टच घेतलेला आहे. परवा आपण लॅग्रांजेस इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन्स बघितलं. तर लॅग्रांजेस इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन फॉर कॉन्झर्वेटिव्ह सिस्टीम बघितलं, फॉर नॉन कॉन्झर्वेटिव्ह सिस्टीम बघितलं, अँड फॉर पार्शली कॉन्झर्वेटिव्ह अँड पार्शली नॉन कॉन्झर्वेटिव्ह. नाव सी हियर transformation equation. Our transformation equation Ri is equal to Ri of Q1 Q2 dot QLT, and this is derivation from the D'Alemans principle, our most important principle, mathematical principle, fundamental principle of mathematics, which derived from equation of motion Fi is equal to Pi dot, and we get D'Alemans principle, nothing but work done acted upon the forces. And now see here, we see later on extra day we see for conservative system the equations of Lagrange's equations of motion is d by dt of di by L by di by this is Lagrange's equations of motion, d by dt of di by L by di by t by di by qj dot minus di by t by di by qj plus is equal to qj. Qj is generalized force, and we now see conservative Lagrange's equation of motions for conservative system, and this is d by dt of di by L by di by qj dot minus di by L by di by qj is equal to 0 for j is equal to 1 2 3 dot n. And for non-conservative system we see that qj is equal to minus di by u by di by qj plus d by dt of di by u by di by qj dot, because in case of non-conservative system scalar potential u may be functions of position and velocity, that is u is equal to u of qj dot t. Such a potential is called velocity dependent potential. In this case associated generalized forces are given by qj is equal to minus di by u by di by qj plus t by dt of di by u by di by qj dot, and this is value of qj putting in equation d by dt of di by t by di by qj dot minus di by t by di by qj, d is equal to qj is equal to d by dt of di by u by di by qj dot minus d by dt of di by di by u by di by qj, and replace this, and we get d by dt of di by di by qj dot t minus u minus d by di by di by qj t minus u, and t minus u nothing but Lagrangian. Therefore d by dt of di by L by di by qj dot minus di by L by di by qj is equal to 0. आता नॉन कॉन्झर्वेटिव्ह सिस्टीम आणि कॉन्झर्वेटिव्ह सिस्टीममध्ये अगदी लॅग्रांजेस इक्वेशन सेम आहे, परंतु डेरिव्हेशनमध्ये तो पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी व्ही आहे अँड पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी इकडे यू आहे, हे लक्षात घ्या. ठीक आहे. नंतर आपण पाहिलं फॉर पार्शली कॉन्झर्वेटिव्ह अँड पार्शली नॉन कॉन्झर्वेटिव्ह सिस्टीम, अँड दिस इज equal d by dt of di by L by di by qj dot minus di by L by di by qj is equal to qj of d, and release distributive process acted upon by the forces, and release distributive forces is equal to minus lambda I ri dot, where lambda I are constant, and qj of d is equal to f by t di by r by di by qj is equal to minus lambda I by lambda I ri dot di by ri by di by qj, and we know that del by ri dot divided by qj dot is equal to del by r by del by ri by del by qj. Therefore qj of d is equal to summation of del by del by qj dot minus 1 by 2 lambda ri dot square is equal to minus del by r by del by qj dot, where r is equal to 1 by 2 summation over I lambda ri dot square is called release distributive functions. Hence the Lagrange's equations of motions is given by d by dt of del by L by del by qj dot minus del by L by del by qj plus del by r by del by qj dot is equal to 0. इथं आपल्याला फॉर कॉन्झर्वेटिव्ह सिस्टीम इक्वेशन ऑफ लॅग्रांजेस इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन सेपरेट क्वेश्चन असेल. फॉर नॉन कॉन्झर्वेटिव्ह सिस्टीम इक्वेशन ऑफ लॅग्रांजेस इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन सेपरेट क्वेश्चन असेल. अँड फॉर पार्शली कॉन्झर्वेटिव्ह अँड पार्शली नॉन कॉन्झर्वेटिव्ह हा सुद्धा ब्रॉड क्वेश्चन सेपरेट असू शकेल. फक्त फॉर पार्शली अँड नॉन पार्शली कॉन्झर्वेटिव्ह अँड नॉन कॉन्झर्वेटिव्ह अँड नॉन कॉन्झर्वेटिव्ह सिस्टीम फक्त इन्क्लूड काय आहे del by r by del by qj dot is equal to 0 and see. Now today we see the conservations of energy. Take one example for the showing the conservations of energy. Show that the total energy of a particle moving in a conservative force field remains constant if the potential energy not an explicit function of time. Show that total energy of a particle moving in a conservative force field remains constant if the potential energy is not an explicit function of time. Now suppose that a particle of mass m moving in the conservative field of force m. Let r be the position vector of the particle at an instant. Then total energy of the particle is equal to T plus V, where T is the kinetic energy and V is the potential energy. Differentiate with respect to time t. Therefore d by dt is equal to dt by dt plus dv by dt. Show this is, and we know that F is equal to pi dot, or force is equal to mass into acceleration, and acceleration is equal to, write down acceleration is equal to dv by dt, where v is the velocity of the particle, acceleration is equal to dv by dt. Therefore F bar, force F, can be written as m into acceleration. Therefore m into dv by dt. Now consider F dr, because work done. F dr, now nothing but F dr is equal to F dv by dt into dr by dt into dt, same as m dv by dt and dr by dt into dt. And this is nothing but F dr dv by dt dv by dt dr by dt again v again dr by dt change of displacement with respect to time velocity. Therefore v dv by dt into dt. Therefore f dr is equal to mv dv. Now RHS of these equations, RHS of this equation m dv by dt can be written as, what is written? Differentiation of 1 by 2 mv square. Therefore f dr is equal to dt. Therefore differentiate with respect to time t. Therefore f dr by dt is equal to dt by dt. f dr by dt is equal to dt by dt. Similarly, we have the potential energy V is equal to V of RT. R is the function of x, y, z, t. Therefore dv is equal to dou v by dou x dx plus dou v by dou y dy plus dou v by dou z dz plus dou v by dou t dou t. Now see here v is equal to v of r of x, y, z, t. Therefore differentiate with respect to self. Therefore what is dv? dv is nothing but functions of r t, functions of r nothing but functions of x, y, z. Therefore the partial differentiation is on dou v by dou x dx plus dou v by dou y dy plus dou v by dou y dou z dz plus dou v by dou t dt, functions of t separately. Now we have dou v by dou x dx plus dou v by dou y dy plus dou v by dou z dz is equal to, what is, delta v dr, gradient function, plus dou v by dou t dt. Therefore dv by dt is equal to delta v dr by dt plus dou v by dou t. This value putting in equation 2, what is 2 putting in equation? This is d by dt is equal to dt by dt plus dv by dt, and we get d by dt is equal to f dr by dt plus delta v dr by dt plus dou v by dt. Now from this dou r by dt is common. Therefore f plus delta v dr by dt plus dou v by dt. Again if force is conservative, therefore f is equal to minus delta v, and replace f by minus delta v, and delta v plus delta v get cancelled, 0 into dr by dt is equal to 0. Therefore d by dt is equal to dou v by dou t. If the potential energy v is independent of time t, म्हणजे तो टाइम t ला डिपेंड नसेल तर अगेन dou v by dou t is equal to 0. Therefore d by dt is equal to 0. Therefore differentiation of d again e is equal to constant. Therefore e is conserved. Next theorem, if the forces acting on a particle is conservative, then the total energy is conserved. बघा, if the forces acting on a particle is conserved, then the total energy is conserved. Suppose that the particle is acted upon by the force F and it moves from position P1 to P2. Hence the force is given by W is equal to work done from position P1 to P2 F dr. Again, from equations of motions, F is equal to P dot, and P dot is nothing but mass into velocity, mass into accelerations. Therefore, acceleration is nothing but rate of change of velocity with respect to time t. Therefore, F is equal to m dv by dt. Therefore, W is equal to integration from P1 to P2 F dv by dt. Now see here, F dv by dt dr by dt into dt is equal to integration of from P1 to P2 F dv by dt v dt, again same derivation. Therefore, P1 to P2 d by dt 1 by 2 mv square dt is equal to 1 by 2 mv square P1 to P2. Therefore, which on upper limit and lower limit later on is equal to 1 by 2 mv2 square minus 1 by 2 mv1 square. Therefore, W work done is equal to T2 minus T1. Call equation number 2. Now, if the forces F is conservative, then it is derivable from a potential function V, which is a function of position only. Therefore, we have F is equal to minus delta V is equal to minus dou V by dou R, where V is the potential energy, and substituting this value in equation 1, we get W is equal to minus position over P1 to P2 dou V by dou R dr is equal to minus integration from P1 to P2 dV is equal to minus V from P1 to P2 position is equal to V1 minus Vt. Here W is equal to T2 minus T1 and here W is equal to V1 minus V2. Therefore, equating equation to both equations, therefore T2 minus T1 is equal to V1 minus V2. Therefore, T1 plus V1 is equal to T2 plus V2 is equal to constant. Therefore, T plus V is equal to constant and energy is constant of motion. Therefore, this shows that total energy of the system of particle is conserved. अल्टरनेटिव्ह मेथड जर आपल्याला एक 7-8 मार्काला विचारलं तर ही मेथड यूज करायला पाहिजेत. अगदी 2-4 मार्काला 3-4 मार्काला विचारलाच तर आपल्याला ही मेथड यूज करायला काय हरकत नाही आहे. अल्टरनेटिव्ह मेथड, इफ द फोर्सेस आर कॉन्झर्वेटिव्ह देन F इज इक्वल टू मायनस डेल V डेल्टा V, where V is the potential energy. By the Newton's law, second law of motions, F is equal to r dot square. R double dot is nothing but acceleration of the particle. R is nothing but position vector of the particle. Therefore, mr double dot, F is value of mr double dot and F is equal to minus dou V by dou R. Therefore, mr double dot is equal to minus dou V by dou R. Now, this equation mr double dot is equal to minus dou V by dou R, multiplying by r dot, and we get mr double dot r dot is equal to minus dou V by dou R dot. Now this equation can be arranged as m r double dot r dot plus dou v by dou r dot, and again can be written as d by dt of 1 by 2 m r dot square plus v is equal to constant, and which on integration, therefore 1 by 2 m r dot square plus v is equal to constant of motion. But 1 by 2 m r dot square is nothing but kinetic energy of the system of particle and is equal to t, therefore t plus v is equal to constant. This shows that energy of the particle moving in the conservative field of force is constant. Now next theorem, see here theorem, if the external and internal forces are both conservative, then show that the total energy V of the system is given by V is equal to summation over I Vi of P plus 1 by 2 summation over Vij internal Ij, where Vi is the potential energy arises due to the external forces Fi, and Vij internal is the internal energy arises due to internal forces Fj internal. Further show that the total energy of the particle system is conserved. Here two types of forces acted upon the system of particle. External force and internal force. External force and internal force with the initial configuration 1 and final configuration 2. It is given by W is equal to work done is equal to Fi dri bar integration from 1 to 2 position 1 to 2 and summation over I, where Fi is equal to Fi of P plus Fj internal bar, W is equal to Fi E bar dri bar plus Fj internal dri. Let Fi E bar be conservative, then there exists a potential Vi of P such that Fi of P is equal to minus del I Vi E is equal to minus del by Vi E by del by Ri is equal to summation over I integration from 1 to 2 Fi of P dri bar is equal to minus summation over I integration from 1 to 2 dou Vi E by dou Ri into dri bar is equal to minus integration of minus summation of I integration from 1 to 2 dVie. Therefore summation over I integration from 1 to 2 Fi of P dri bar is equal to minus summation over I Vi of P from 1 to 2, but from RHS of this equation, second term Fj internal consider, that is summation over Ij, I is not equal to j, integration from 1 to 2 Fj internal dri is equal to integration from summation over Ij integration from 1 to 2 Fj internal dri. Interchanging I and j on the RHS of equation this, therefore Fj internal dri summation over Ij, I is not equal to j, 1 to 2 is equal to summation over Ij, I is not equal to j, 1 to 2 Fij internal drj bar, and this is nothing but integral summation over ij, I is not equal to j, Fj internal dri bar is equal to minus summation over ij, I is not equal to j, integration from 1 to 2 Fj internal drj bar, and adding on gives 2 times summation of ij, summation over ij, I is not equal to j, integration from 1 to 2 Fj internal dri bar is equal to 1 by 2 times is equal to summation over ij, I is not equal to j, 1 to 2 Fj internal dri minus drj bar, and 2 times replaced by RHS, therefore LHS is equal to 1 by 2 summation over ij, I is not equal to j, integration from 1 to 2 Fj internal drij bar, for drij bar is equal to dri minus drj bar. Now if the internal force Fj internal are conservative, then there exists a potential Vij internal such that Fj internal is equal to minus del ji, your Vij internal is equal to minus dou Vij internal by dou Rij, where del ji is the gradient with respect to Rij position vector. Thus the equation becomes, this equation becomes Fj internal is equal to minus del ji Vj internal is equal to minus dou Vij internal by dou Rij. This equation becomes summation over ij, I is not equal to j, integration from 1 to 2 Fj internal dri bar is equal to minus 1 by 2 summation over ij, I is not equal to j, from integration from 1 to 2 dou Vij internal by dou Rij drij bar is equal to minus 1 by 2 summation over ij, I is not equal to j, integration from 1 to 2 dou dvij internal is equal to minus 1 by 2 Vij internal is equal to V1 minus V2. Therefore V is equal to Vi of P plus 1 by 2 Vij internal represents the total potential energy, total potential energy of the system of particle, and similarly the total work done by the force on the system in terms of kinetic energy is given by W is equal to summation over I from integration from 1 to 2 Fi bar of del dri, and Fi nothing but Mi Vi, d by dt of Mi Vi dri by dt is equal to Mi dvi by dt Vi dt. Therefore W is equal to summation over I integration from 1 to 2 Mi d by dt of 1 by 2 Vi square dt is equal to W is equal to integration summation over I integration over 1 to 2 d of 1 by 2 Mi Vi square is equal to W is equal to 1 by 2 Mi Vi square from 1 to 2 is equal to T2 minus T1, is therefore T1 plus V1 is equal to T2 plus V2, and this shows that total energy of the system is conserved, and this completes our